Oh my god, I have a very major download. I'm very touchy on this one. The Great Rapture. Uh, what am I going to say about it? It's not the kind of rapture you are thinking. I'm not really into prediction and everything, but oh my god, all the injured numbers right now, they're pushing me to tell this. I don't know if this is true or not, whatever, but I cannot I cannot stop this. The numbers are just crazy in front of me right now. So it's like I have to tell this. I don't know true or not, but the download is a question. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Think about COVID. What happened in COVID? Sickness. This is a download, okay? This is a vision. Think about the COVID. Who who was helping majority of the community, right? Medical sciences, right? The medical field is going to be the opposite of that. Unprecedented mass awakening. Collective, are you ready? That's the message. Oh my goodness. Oh, kahit ako, even me, I don't know. Um, I can feel in my body. We are not ready. We are not ready. The thing is, the rapture is not about the time. How soon the collective is ready? How soon are you? How soon can you be ready? Um, can you imagine people are losing their mind? How can you help the collect? How can you help people? How can you help humanity? This is the message. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I don't know. I just have to say it. Think you, if you think I'm crazy, fine. I'm just giving you the message because I can't. The numbers in front of me, 111, the masters, ascended masters are here. Like, oh my god, all the angels. They are bugging me. Like, oh, my goosebumps are everywhere. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Are you ready? That's it. The message. Are you ready? That's it.